Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to make a CCTV camera using ESP32-CAM module, and we will use this module with ultrasonic sensor. And now we will understand why we use ultrasonic sensor in this system. Here ultrasonic sensor will install with this ESP module to detect the motion or presence of any person in the room or on the door or anywhere. Whenever the person goes in front of the sensor, then it will detect the person that when the sensor waves goes to strike to that person, then it will comes back and it will detect the person is available or not. Then this sensor will send a data. Then this ESP32 module will receive it. Now we will understand why we are not using directly this sensor with this ESP module. It is because when the sensor is directly connected with ESP, then it gives malfunctioning. That's why I am not connecting it directly, and I am using a other controller to receive the sensor data, and this sensor will send the data to this ESP to get the sensor data. Now we will go to the program, that what program we uploaded in these two controllers and how we upload the program. Here I am using FDTI programmer module, which is used to program ESP32, and this is the program. This is the ultrasonic sensor program which is uploaded in the ESP32. This is the ESP32 module with 38 pins, and this is the program. It is a simple program which only reads the ultrasonic sensor. On trigger pin is 32 and echo pin is 33, and it will generate only one value, which is distance centimeter, and this output value will be gone to the serial monitor. And we know that where the value comes on the serial monitor, it is transferred to TX and TR pin. And here I connected TX and TR pin with its U0T and U0R pin. To U0, yes, these two communication pins are connected with each other to get the data from the ESP32, and this is the program. Now we will go to the program here, which is uploaded in the ESP32 camera module. Here this is the ESP32 camera module program. Here first we will include the libraries, and then we will include the SSID and password on which internet router is connected. And then here one thing I want to explain that why we are using here the internet. Here I only use internet for getting the real time and the time and date. Here I am live in Pakistan, so I put this code PKT5, and Then these are the all configuration of the camera. And now we'll go to the main void loop, what we are doing in the loop. Here in the loop, first I will receive the data from the ESP32, which will be available on the U0T and U0R pin, and it will receive the distance from the sensor, and then according to that distance it will make a make a function. Then it will give this whenever the distance is less than from the threshold, then it will click the images, and then these images will be saved to the memory card. Here we use memory card, and every time the image is saved, then this image named will be on the date and time, at which time it is taken on which day. So it will be easy to see the images in the memory card. So here is the connections. Here I am connected it. I connected it for the programming ESP32, and this is the ultrasonic sensor, and this is ESP32. Now we will see whether it is taking pictures when the distance is less than 100 centimeter, because I fixed the threshold as a 100 centimeter. So whenever an opaque object comes in front of the sensor, it will flashes the LED on the ESP32-CAM module and get the images and capture the images. Now it is capturing. Now it is less than 1 meter distance between my hand and the sensor, so it is taking pictures for every 5 seconds. So now we will go to and see whether it takes the pictures in the SSD memory card. So then we will disconnect it from here. This is the adapter for which we are using to power up the sensor and these controllers. Now this is the SSD memory card. It is 16 GB. So now I will put it in my laptop. Now first I will put it in here. Now I will put in my laptop. Now when I put this SSD card, so my laptop automatically detect it and open that file. So this is I will zoom out. These all pictures I have taken. Now we will see the date and time, whether the date and time is showing here. Double click on it and I will rotate it. Now this is how I was making the film of that things. So here is the date. It is 2024 3/28, and this is the time 13:52. It means 1 hour and 52 minutes, and a 4 means it is the fourth image after restart. So hence this project will be worked. If you have any question or query, then ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to answer your query. Thank you very much.